Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about lashes and what I do to apply a strip lash. So I did a video about 2 weeks ago, which was pretty much me applying false lashes underneath my actual lashes. And if you want to check that video out, I will have that linked right above me. However, it wasn't a total fail and I did really like it. Will I do it again? Who knows? A lot of people have written to me and asked me, can you do a video on how to just apply regular lashes the regular way? So that has prompted this video, and if you want to see what I do to get flawless lashes, then keep watching. So we first need to talk about tools. You need to have a good pair of tweezers. So I prefer these ones right here, which are from House of Lashes. They have a nice point and I use these exclusively for lashes. Then you want to have a tweezer that is made for lashes. This one is from Kiss, and as you can see, it's just a perfect shape to literally pick up a lash, place it on your eye, and if you want to get really in there and squeeze them together, perfect for that. These are great detail scissors that I also use exclusively for lashes, and these I purchased at House of Lash. Glue. All different types of glue. Millions of different types of glue. I prefer the age-old Duo in the dark tone. It is my favorite lash glue. Anyone who knows about lashes knows that this is the lash glue to have. However, I do not like the Duo in clear, so this one from Kiss is great for a natural lash, and this has aloe in it and does not bother me at all. And then my all-time favorite glue for a thicker lash is going to always be the House of Lashes. I feel like this is the tackiest glue. It does get really difficult to clean up after you take the lashes off, and glue is stuck in your eyes. However, if you want to look amazing all night long, that is the best glue. Now, when it comes to actual lashes, there's so many different types of lashes that you can get. Mink, synthetic, human hair, silk, there's so many different types. I personally do not like to use mink lashes because I don't feel like it's ethically a thing that's needed, and I also don't think that mink lashes last the same way. I think that they lose their shape, and just like your normal hair, if you have a blowout and they get wet and you wash it, it goes away and the shape is lost. Whereas with a synthetic lash, you're not gonna have that problem. So I prefer a synthetic lash 100%. Now, my favorite lashes to use are these ones from Violet Voss in Wispy My Name. These are a pretty dramatic lash, however, they are still wispy and really pretty. They do have a very intense band, and I would be using the House of Lashes glue on these 100%. My other favorite is these right here from House of Lashes, and these are the Iconics. I don't know if you can see them up close or if it's too... There you go. Okay, and these lashes are really great because not only are they super durable, but they have a nice fluttery effect towards the end of the lash, and it's definitely graduated and gives an elongated effect. It's up to you what you want to use. Some people like something kind of like this, which is a wispy lash, and it has a clear band, and it's super natural. These are awesome. These are red cherry lashes, and they're like $3 fucking. Now you're gonna want to start off by putting mascara on and then curling your lashes, and then you're gonna wanna put mascara on again. To get your lashes to curl and stay curled and to get your everything to look really great, you're gonna wanna start off with a non-waterproof mascara. I like this one. This is the Thick and Fast from Soap and Glory, and to be honest, this mascara is a great mascara to start off with. So I'm just going to apply that to my lashes. So you just want to really darken them up and get a nice light coat, because we're doing this before we curl the lashes. So once that coat is on, you want to wait a full 2 minutes for that to completely dry. Now that that's dry, you're going to want to go in and curl your lashes. So obviously I'm using a curler kind of like this, which I'm telling you, for people who are not able to get the lashes on the inner corner, these are amazing. Once you have the curler placed in there, I like to press it down and I like to wait a good 30 seconds. Okay, Now that those lashes are curled and they have a mascara on, now you want to go and set that with a waterproof mascara. This is very important to keep your lashes curled all day long. I have been in love with the Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit. If you haven't tried it, take yourself to the store and fucking get it. Order it online, whatever. Make sure you get this mascara because it really is actually amazing. Okay, so now you want to let that set for a good minute or two, and then we can start to apply the lashes. Now I'm going to open these up, and the first thing that you're going to want to do is take them out of the box. Now, how I take them out is this. I take the carton that they're on, and I turn it this way, so it's kind of like bent like this, and then you can kind of take the lashes themselves and get a good grip, and once you're able to kind of slide them off, you can kind of go ahead, and that won't damage the lashes at all. Here's a tip. With the lashes that have a thicker band, you want them to kind of blend a little more seamlessly, and so unless you're really, really good at applying them perfectly, you're gonna wanna take a little bit of a dark brown or a black eyeshadow, and you're just gonna want to lightly press that into your lash line. Doesn't really look like much, but that will help hide any imperfections in your lash. The first thing that you're gonna do is you're going to want to take the lash. As you can see, that is the lash right there. It's really fluttery and really big band. Next, you're gonna take the lash and the tweezer, and you're gonna legitimately place it. Tilt your head back a little bit, look in the mirror, and then just place it to fit right on your lash. So you can see that this lash actually fits my eye perfectly. Like the pair of Iconics, which I love, these lashes I do have to trim from the outer corner because they're a little bit too long, but my eye is pretty long anyway, so most lashes I don't have to do that with, and these ones I definitely don't. So if you have anything hanging over from this area right here, you're definitely going to want to trim that, and make sure you always trim from the outer corner as opposed to the inner corner. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim this lash into 3 sections. And I'm literally going to cut it right here. And take that, and that's my outer corner. And then this section right here, I'm gonna cut that right in half. I'm gonna take some House of Lashes glue, and I'm going to take that first segment right here, and I'm just going to apply a very small amount. So I'm gonna let this dry for about 45 seconds. Now, the problem with applying lashes and using glues is you wanna make sure the glue is extremely tacky when you place it on your lash line. If you don't, the lash is just gonna move around and you're gonna end up with glue everywhere, and it's gonna be a fucking problem. It is the #1 mistake. So I'm going to take this lash, and I'm legitimately gonna tilt my head back, and I'm going to just place that right on my lash line. And then just kind of close that in a little bit. And when that's ready, you can go in and just kind of put that right next to the other piece. And when that glue's dry, place that right there on the end. Now that all those pieces are on, I'm just going to take the tweezers and press them into my lashes. There. So now if you feel comfortable applying a full strip lash to your eye, then by all means. This was the easy way, this way is a little more difficult. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take the lash, and you're gonna want to just bend the band a little bit to loosen it up. Otherwise, the band will be too stiff and it's not gonna necessarily fit perfectly on your eye. So you just want to rough that up just a little bit. Now you're going to want to take some glue, and you're gonna wanna apply a thin layer. Too much glue is going to be a problem and too little glue is going to be a problem. So you want to make sure that the layer of glue is about the same width and density as the lash band itself. Now you want that glue to dry. You really want it to dry and be like almost dry, but tacky enough to just stick down. Now when this glue has set for about 45 seconds, maybe even a minute, a lot of people say 30 seconds. You definitely need a little more time than that, no matter what glue you're using. Now you're gonna wanna hold it with the tweezer and you're gonna wanna tilt your head back, right? And now you're gonna wanna literally just go in and place this lash right on your eye, as close as you can. Okay, and now let it sit there for a second. Now you're going to wanna take one side. I'm gonna start with the end right here and take that and press that right into your lash line. Now come over to the inner corner and take that and press that right in, okay? And now you can go into the middle and really make sure that's pressed in there. So don't worry about the lash glue because you won't see that once that dries. Now I like to give that just another 10-15 seconds and then I can go in and I can actually just squeeze that into my lash. Once that's set, what I like to do is go in with a little more waterproof mascara and just blend them together. So I like to apply the mascara, and then I like to take my tweezer and just kind of like push them all together. So if you have a really thick, intense lash on, but you do not have a lot of eye makeup, so the lash doesn't blend that well, you can always go into the corners and just put a little bit of liquid liner right in the corner there, and that just kind of helps blend it together. So there, everything is complete. I did this side chopped up into 3 pieces. You can do that also into 2 pieces as you get more comfortable. And then this side I did obviously just the full strip lash. So I hope that this video was helpful and informative for you guys. A special shout out to my friend Patricia for prompting me to make this video. Just know that lashes for anybody are not always the easiest. For me to apply lashes on somebody else is like so easy, not even a question. But to apply lashes on myself, I struggle, you know, and it's been a really long time. So don't take it too seriously and just keep playing around. Whether you put them on in sections like this eye or you put the whole strip on, it's up to you, and see what you're comfortable with and play around with it. I hope that you all have an amazing week, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I love you all. Ciao.